Hello student, now we study about abiotic factor in ecosystem and habitat. So key abiotic factor, the first is temperature, second water, third light and the fourth soil. So first abiotic factor, that is temperature. So distribution of animal and plant species mostly depend on availability of temperature. Temperature can affect the kinetics of energy in the body, and so after it can mostly alert basal metabolism, organism activity and other physical function. Progressive decrease of temperature from equator towards pole and from plain to mountain top. So there are different area and temperature. So in polar area, temperature below 0 degree Celsius. Tropical desert, temperature more than 50 degree Celsius in summer. In thermal springs, temperature is about 80 to 100 degree Celsius. In deep sea, that is hydrothermal vents, the temperature about 400 degree Celsius. So there are two type of organism. Eurothermal organism, the organism that tolerate in wide range of temperature. They are called as eurothermal, while the second stenothermal organism resist to narrow range of temperature. They are called stenothermal. The second abiotic factor, that is water. Life on earth originated in water and can survive due to water. So water decide productivity and distribution of plant. For aquatic animal, pH of water are important qualities. So salinity or salt concentration, it is the unit of salinity is the part per thousands. So in inland water, salinity is less than 5%. In sea water, salinity is 30 to 35%. In hypersaline area, the salinity is 100%. So, the definition of eurosaline, organism that can tolerate wide range of salinities, while second, stenohalines, organism that are resist to narrow range of salinity. They are called as stenohaline. The next factor, that is light. So sunlight is the source of energy and photosynthesis depend upon sunlight. So it is essential abiotic factor for autotroph. Species of herbs and shrubs growing in forest are adapted to photosynthesis even under low concentration because they are constantly under the canopy of tall trees. They are present under tall trees. Flowering of plants is depend on sunlight. In animal, the seasonal rhythm are depend on sunlight. Their productivity, migratory activities of animal depend upon photoperiod, means light. The availability of light on land is closely linked with temperature because sun is the source of both. The last abiotic factor is soil. So climate of place determine the nature and properties of soil. The weathering activity or weathering process, type of soil, soil composition, it is different from place to place. The percolation and water holding capacity of soil depend upon soil composition. The vegetation in many areas depend upon soil pattern as well as soil parameters like pH, mineral composition, topography. The sediment that is characteristic in aquatic environment determine the type of residue beneath animals. So these are four abiotic factor like temperature, water, light and soil.